Friends, before anything else, let me tell you one important thing. Today, I am showing you my profit and loss performance for December 2025, full month, January 1st, 2026 to January 18th, 2026. But very clearly understand this. As per SEBI rules, I am not showing any exact profit or loss amount. I am only showing how many days I traded, how many days were profitable, and how many days were in loss, because I strictly follow SEBI guidelines. And one more thing, I never give tips in live trading. This YouTube channel is not for tips. This channel is only to educate beginners who are struggling to become profitable. Friends, that is the reason why I am giving 99% of my knowledge free on YouTube. Only 1% of my course is paid. That is my personal 2 setups. And even the paid course fee is very, very small. In fact, it is less than the money of 1 stop-loss hit, so that every beginner can afford and learn. Now let me tell you my journey. I have been practicing trading for 5 years. First, I learned price action. Price action is good, but the problem is it gives confusion in different time frames. For example, in the 15-minute chart, it shows a perfect entry, but in 5-minute and 1-minute charts, it shows something different, and the trader becomes confused. Which time frame should I follow? Because of this, I shifted to the technical side. I tested almost all indicators in the market, and trust me, only 2 things are truly reliable: exponential moving averages and pivot points. These are more accurate than other indicators. And for candles, you don't need to learn hundreds of patterns. My 5 candle rules are enough. EMA plus pivot points plus 5 candle rules. That's it. I mastered and created only 2 setups. These are back-tested for 4 years, continuously tested in live market, supported by proper rules. No option chain, no news, no events, only pure structure and discipline. These rules are more than enough for intraday trading. One more truth. Trading is not my full-time profession. I have another main business, and I never leave that business, because trading is flexible. I can trade from anywhere, at any time, even while doing my business. That is the beauty of trading. Now listen carefully. Trading is not gambling. Trading is a skill. It needs patience, discipline, and emotional control. If you have discipline, trust me, trading becomes very, very simple. The market is not difficult. Our mindset is. Whenever I get time, I will keep uploading free educational videos, live trade analysis, and weekly or monthly profit and loss transparency. Not to show off, but to build your trust. And one very important point, friends. Understand this example. An IAS or IPS officer becomes successful by taking coaching from teachers. But are those teachers IAS or IPS officers themselves? No. Still, their knowledge creates officers. In the same way, stop seeing others profiting out. Don't look at their luxury life, cars, or show-off. Don't get attracted to that. Just see one thing. Is the subject they are teaching simple and useful or not? That is what matters. Never focus on how much I earn, how much others earn, because no one will give you a single paisa from their profit, and you will not give a single paisa to them if they are in loss. So don't watch money. Watch knowledge. Watch points captured. For example, if I capture 50 points, 1 lot equals 50 times 30 equals 1,500. 10 lots equals 50 times 300 equals 15,000. Lot size is your choice. Points are my responsibility. So, daily watch my videos, understand the system, see the consistency, gain confidence, and when you feel trust, message me on WhatsApp. I will teach you my setup rules. Rules that will hold your hand and take you towards your targets without stress, without tension. Thank you, friends. Trade safe, trade disciplined, and grow slowly but correctly.
If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe. Comment below what topic do you want next. See you in the next video. Simple logic, strong discipline. The NVN Trader.